This is lesson 4, and today we are looking at just interpreting the mean of a set of data. The mean is the total divided by the number of items in a set. You can also work out the total number if given the mean. Finally, we're looking for the mean. The mean is the total of all the numbers divided by the number of values. So we have to add up all of the numbers to get our total. We've got 539, and it's 539 divided by 11, because there's 11 numbers, and that's 49. So the mean is 49. Here we have some different examples. So in the first example, you can see we know there's 6 classes, 174 children, and we're asked to find the mean of the class size. So we've got our sum down here, 174 divided by 6, which gives us 29. In the second example, it says there's 4 classes, and the mean class size is 26. So this time it's 26 multiplied by 4, which gives us the total number of children, which is 104. In our final one, it says the mean class size is 30 with 210 children. How many classes? Again, it's a division, 210 divided by 30, and that gives you 7. Now you're going to complete one of these sections. You can either choose section A, section B, or section C. Remember that you need to date and write the WALT, number each question, go back to the video if you're stuck.